Listen and practice. Learn how to talk about your day using simple words. Listen to the story and repeat after me. The important words will come after the story. Say them to practice and remember.
Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. when my alarm goes off. I turn off the alarm and get out of bed. After that, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. I also take a shower to feel fresh and ready for the day. Wake up. Alarm goes off. Turn off. Get out of bed. Go to the bathroom. Wash my face. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Next, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Sometimes I eat toast with butter, and other times I have cereal with milk. After breakfast, I pack my bag with everything I need for the day, like my notebook, phone, and water bottle. Go to the kitchen. Make breakfast. Eat toast with butter. Cereal with milk. Pack my bag. Notebook. Water bottle. At 8 a.m., I leave the house and head to work. I take the bus to get there, and during the ride, I listen to music or read a book. I start work at 9 a.m. At work, I write emails, talk to customers, and attend meetings. I work until 12:30 p.m., and then I take a lunch break. Leave the house. Head to work. Take the bus. Listen to music. Read a book. Write emails. Talk to customers. Attend meetings. Lunch break. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich or salad. I drink water or juice with my meal. After lunch, I go back to work. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks and plan for the next day. At 5 p.m., I leave work and go home. Eat a sandwich. Salad. Drink water. Go back to work. Finish my tasks. Plan for the next day. Leave work. Go home. When I get home, I like to relax. I take off my shoes, sit down, and watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park if the weather is nice. At 7 p.m., I eat dinner. My favorite dinner is pasta or chicken with vegetables. Relax. Take off my shoes. Sit down. Watch TV. Read a book. Go for a walk. Eat dinner. Pasta. Chicken with vegetables. After dinner, I clean the dishes and get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my pajamas. Before sleeping, I sometimes read or listen to music to help me relax. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Clean the dishes. Get ready for bed. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Put on my pajamas.